If you're constantly feeling like diving into the world of YouTube Shorts just drains your entire day, trust me, you are absolutely not alone. The good news is that there are actually powerful tools available right now that let you crank out high-quality shorts in mere minutes without getting completely buried in complicated edits. Today, I'm going to demonstrate a seamless workflow that seriously cuts down your time to post while keeping everything looking incredibly professional. This whole system is powered by Vizard. And just to be clear, this isn't some hard sales pitch. I'm genuinely sharing how I use the tool to speed up my content creation process. So, the core concept here is that Vizard is an AI-powered editor that automatically scans your long-form videos to extract the best, most engaging segments for you. It does three main things that make my life significantly easier: auto-editing viral clips, managing automatic scheduling so posts go live without me hovering, and a content calendar that handles everything from one place. Instead of just reciting buzzwords, I'm going to walk you through three very realistic scenarios you can use based on where your raw footage actually comes from. The first scenario is for when you have a long podcast episode or a YouTube video and you want to extract quick, viral-ready clips instantly. This is my favorite method, where you simply paste the YouTube URL into Vizard, select your desired clip length, typically between 30 to 60 seconds, and hit the generate button. It takes just a few minutes for the AI to process your footage, but once it finishes, you get a clean timeline of suggested clips based on high engagement moments. From that point, you just pick the clip that fits your specific vibe and tweak the style to make it your own. The editor itself is incredibly approachable, and right away, Vizard generates captions that are shockingly accurate, usually spot on in almost every case. It even intelligently flags words it is less confident about so you can quickly jump in and correct them in seconds. There are plenty of style presets, including different animated caption styles, font sizes, and color themes to choose from. I personally like to keep my captions in the lower third, but just high enough so they don't get obscured by the short's UI elements. Whether you want a bold, high-energy, Mr. Beast style pulse or something much more chill and minimal, there is a preset ready for you. I usually just update the color accents to match my personal brand and tweak one or two settings to get the look just right. After just 10 clicks or so, I export the video as a vertical file, download it, and upload it directly to my channel. The entire process from start to finish takes less than 10 minutes, which is a massive time saver. The second scenario covers those times you recorded a short vertically on your phone, but it has awkward dead space at the beginning or end. Vizard makes trimming out those dead frames and adding extra B-roll clips feel absolutely effortless. You simply upload your vertical file, trim out the silence, and then navigate to the B-roll tab to start building your visual story. The interface breaks your script into manageable chunks, allowing you to attach a specific B-roll clip to any text segment you choose. So when you say something like, "This is my favorite vlogging camera," you can easily overlay a close-up shot of a camera at that exact moment. If you have a premium plan, Vizard even connects directly to stock libraries so you can search for clips like camera close-up without ever leaving the app. I personally prefer uploading my own B-roll for an authentic feel, but using stock footage is clutch whenever you need a quick filler shot. You can set in and out points for each clip, stretch the timing, and the captions will automatically adapt to fit, so there is no need for a separate motion graphics timeline. It basically functions like a lightweight, intuitive editor where the automation handles all the repetitive, busy work. The third scenario is for when you have raw talking head footage that you haven't edited yet and you need to repurpose it quickly. This used to give me the biggest headache, as I would manually cut bits in Premiere, add captions, and export vertical crops by hand. Now, I just upload my trimmed raw footage, usually the 2 to 4 minute chunk that contains all the good stuff, and use the timeline editor inside the app. You can easily scrub through, slice out the awkward pauses, remove filler words, and stitch the best sections together seamlessly. The AI will still auto-caption everything and continue suggesting where those high-engagement, viral moments might be hiding. The timeline is incredibly intuitive. You can zoom in, chop out the parts you don't want, and drag segments around to perfect your flow. Once you play it back, the editor skips over your deleted portions cleanly, making the whole assembly process feel instant. You can add captions, hit a style preset, and even drop in emojis, which makes all that tedious manual formatting a thing of the past. Some other practical features I love include how captions are fully editable, so you never have to guess what the AI misheard. You also have great export options, from 9:16 vertical to standard widescreen, and even up to 2K resolution depending on your subscription plan. If you want true consistency, just save your caption style and presets so every single clip you produce keeps the exact same brand look. Now, people always ask about alternatives, and yes, there are other tools out there that do similar things. Adobe Premiere and Express offer full, deep control, but that entire ecosystem comes with a significant price tag. For solo creators or small, agile teams, that monthly cost adds up quickly, especially when you primarily need short-form editing and distribution. Many other new tools are limited because they only focus on clip selection or just captions, which isn't enough for a complete workflow. Vizard stands out because it doesn't just help you find clips, it helps you actively manage and distribute them. The auto schedule feature is a total lifesaver, letting you set your posting frequency so the AI queues everything up for you across your platforms. Pair that with the content calendar and you have complete visibility to move content around, reschedule, or batch edit clips before they ever go live. For creators who are juggling a podcast, a YouTube channel, and multiple other social channels, that central control is absolutely huge. Pricing-wise, there are tiered plans, but the automation you gain feels like it pays for itself very quickly by saving you hours of time. Here are a few quick tips to replicate my workflow. For long YouTube videos, paste your link, pick your clips, and always choose the most energetic moment. Next, tweak your captions. Fix any flagged words, set your font size and position, and hit that 9:16 export button. For dedicated vertical videos, trim out the silent bits, add B-roll to support your points, and pick a caption preset that doesn't distract from the footage. Finally, for raw footage, upload your chunks, use the internal timeline to remove pauses, and combine sections while relying on the auto caption and clip markers. Real talk, these tools don't replace your creativity, but they allow you to spend more time actually creating and less time on repetitive formatting. Instead of spending 3 hours per short doing manual edits, I can now batch process a whole week's worth of content in one go. That extra time allows me to focus on writing better hooks and creating more eye-catching thumbnails, which is the real return on investment. If you want to try Vizard, they usually have a free tier or trial so you can test the auto edit and scheduling features without committing. Give it a shot with one of your recent long videos, see what clips the AI pulls, and you will immediately get a sense for how much time it can save. If you eventually need advanced multicam timelines or professional-grade color grading, by all means move to a full-scale professional editor. But for most creators who want to turn long-form content into engaging short-form posts fast, Vizard feels like it was built by people who actually understand content creation. Alright, that is the full rundown, and I hope this helps you reclaim your time and get your content out into the world. If you want, I can walk through a specific video of yours to help you outline which moments to clip and how to style the captions for the best results. Start small today. Grab a long video. Let the AI do the heavy lifting and spend your saved hours making better hooks and thumbnails for your audience. Peace.